In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Zoho CRM. Whether you're managing hundreds or even thousands of contacts, merging duplicates is a crucial step in maintaining an organized and efficient database. Duplicate entries can lead to confusion, making it essential to streamline and consolidate your records. So let's dive in and take a look at the process of merging contacts step by step in Zoho CRM. To begin with, open the Contacts module within your Zoho CRM. Here, you'll see all your existing contacts neatly listed. Find the specific contact that you wish to merge. Once you've located it, look for the More Actions menu, symbolized by the three dots or ellipsis that you can find on your screen. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Find and Merge Duplicates. This feature is designed to help you easily identify and consolidate duplicate contact entries, ensuring your CRM data remains clean and useful. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your matching criteria for identifying duplicates. Zoho CRM provides a couple of different options to assist you in this endeavor. You can use the email or phone criteria, which are commonly used in identifying duplicates, as they are usually unique to individual contacts. Select the criterion that makes the most sense for your specific task. After you've set these criteria, the system will search for contacts that match and display them for you. You're now ready to select the duplicate records that you want to merge. Keep in mind, you can select up to 3 records to merge at one go. So, take your time to review the displayed duplicates. Carefully choose the ones you believe are related or identical, thus needing merging. This limits your selections to ensure that the process remains smooth and manageable. With your selections made, the next step involves a little bit of decision-making. The Find and Merge Duplicates feature will allow you to review and decide which field values you'd like to retain in the final consolidated record. This is an important step because you want to ensure that the most accurate and relevant information is kept, thus preserving the value of your contact data. Take a moment to inspect each field and decide on the values that best represent your contact for future reference. Once you've reviewed and chosen the field values you wish to keep, the final task is simply to click the Merge button. With a simple click, Zoho CRM will consolidate your selected records into one unified contact record. And there you have it, a tidy and streamlined database ready to be leveraged for your daily needs. Remember, keeping your contact list precise and current not only saves you time, but also enhances the efficiency of your operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.